We are here accompanying our colleague and friend, Honorable Karungo, the Senator for Karungo, who has been unfairly targeted by this government. And I say unfairly targeted because, of course, everybody knows that Senator Karungo was a victim of the circumstances in Limuru. So we are confused that the victim now is being turned into the villain, because nobody has been arrested. I mean, those young men that perpetrated that act, their images, their faces are everywhere on social media. The police have not bothered to arrest even a single one of them. So for them to tell Senator Karungo to come to Nyeri, the victim, we find it very interesting. And we are saying, if we allow our country to slide to where it is going, then we may have as well in the future have somebody knocked down by a motor vehicle and asked to compensate the motor vehicle owner, because that is exactly what is happening. Senator Karungo was a victim, but he's now being turned into a villain to come and explain why he was attacked, while the attackers are well known. And we want to tell the government that we have been very observant. We have seen somebody in Lamu talking about how the Kikuyu should be isolated. We can see now how, Senator Karungo has been called here. Again, further isolation. We know that these things that have happened like in Limuru were organized and had the support of the government, and I dare say so. Because if it did not have the support of the government, there would have been police in that particular venue. And as if that was not, people should have been arrested by now. The guy in Lamu who said some very ethnic, based comments, very bitter ones against, actually it was insightful, has not been arrested. And so we say this government has really lost direction. That is why now they are fighting everybody, including the churches. And they had isolated the Catholic Church. Now NCCK gave their own report yesterday, their own yesterday. And this is a government that has simply lost it. We have not demons operating in Kenya. What we are telling the government to do, go back to the crossroads, see where the rain started beating you. Otherwise, we refuse to be intimidated by government, and that is why we are here with Karungo Adangwa, who is being intimidated to say, we say no to intimidation. I think I want to stop it. Tuwaka guku kurehe Senator Karungo Adangwa urea wititwo guku thutha wa kuhurwo agetwo Nyeri thutha wa kuhurirwo Limuru handu ahuri akemetwo na manyitwo uria ahurirwo niwe oretwo guku na riu twathi uguo na niguo kugeragia kuga ni kurithia handu gakinya waringwo ni nduthi kana waringwo ni ngari ugathi ukariha ukerwo we waringwo ni ukuhititie muno ni gukorwo wi bara koguo thi ukarihe nduthi tondu tiga uma bara ndungiguthirwo ni nduthi iyo na hau ni turorete na tutigitikira bururi witu ucoke hau na ni tukwenda kwira thirikari mamenye ni ha mauru mahingicanĩire. Ndũngĩkorwo makanitha mothe nĩ magũkĩrĩire, ndũngĩkorwo andũ othe marauga ũrĩa maũndũ mathũkire nawe ũratwĩra atĩ kwĩna macaitani me gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Coka harĩa magomano ma njĩra ũmenye nĩ kũ mathĩna maku mambĩrĩirie. Wendwo hihi ũkĩherere mwathani-rĩ ũgĩthiĩ ũhere na ũkorwo ũrahera ihera, genuine confession and repentance. Otherwise, things don't look good. The economy is not faring well. The church is not happy. Nobody is happy. I don't know kwa mara kwa gapi cia thibitari githomo gitirathomeka ni model cio iretwo ni funding model itaramenyekana. Riu macaitani mokira giriti muthie mwicirie maundu mathukiire ha nikio twi guku Karungo Adangwa tukurugama nake kinya hare hakabatarania na twithikira kihoto giake kiagararu. Asante.